I'm just going to start. So the meetings that we've previously had in the district, one of them needed to be rescheduled, and I can supply you with that actual letter, but it was February 6th. And then the one that we actually had September 19th of 2019. My local community leaders were just frustrated by the lack of attention participation from the hearing officer and the panel. I'm not sure how you quantitatively do that, but I was hoping that could be seriously looked at, because I felt there was a lot of the local feedback that was just disregarded. If you get into question 2 specifically, if you want me to stop, you tell me, but I'll just keep going here. Question 2B, there was a lot of local control in the disregard for the cumulative result of the questions under question 2B. And number 6, Seneca and Sandusky counties consist of karst. It's an unusual composition to hold the turbine. On number 12, one of the issues that we've had up here is the secretive lamb and leash use arrangements. They created a lack of transparency, so people were finding out at the very end what was really happening when we probably should know at the beginning of the process. I believe that was one of the things that was pointed out with my introduction of House Bill 401 concerning, well, shouldn't this happen at the beginning and not at the end? Well, those secretive agreements have created an issue. Question 2F, the cumulative effect of multiple projects is of serious concern and consequence. So I think they go in front of you one at a time, but we actually have 6 at some stage of development in Seneca County, and that cumulative effect, I think, is pretty serious and has to be considered. Question 2H, referencing impacts that turbines have had over time. Northern Michigan, Europe, I know those studies have been pointed out and seem to be disregarded, so I think that they should be. Question 2J, considering the warranty and the merchantability. To me, it's merchantability. I sell cars. We have to make sure they run and are safe. Absolutely, the basis of the warranty and consumer confidence is based on that merchantability, and we have to know what the safety is. That is understanding is that something that can be done now. We absolutely have to make sure these things are safe for our constituents and the right distancing, etc. So I would say on question 2J, absolutely, we have to have the safety utilized. Question 2K, I believe in my specific area, Seneca and Sandusky County, local airports and commerce centers have to be considered. Their feedback, we can't, these go up, we destroy our commerce, that cannot happen. And several other comments that I have is multi-generational land use should be considered. Families own this land for long-term home ownership for their families long-term. That's important. The promise, but this is another one, I'm not sure how we address it, but this is becoming an issue with other areas of government, is the promise of monetary gain for the schools and the community. Maybe it should be notarized in writing as an enforceable measure. I'm referencing the monies coming from the gas pipelines and other things that have affected our school funding. And I know there's a lot of promises of money out there concerning turbines and farms, and possibly we need to put that in writing somehow to make sure that we get that money, or it's filtering it or factoring into our school money calculation. So in summary, I think that there needs to be effective local input and control. I think that definitely the cumulative effect has to be considered, and I think the safety is critical. I tried to summarize that quickly, and I'll send you a hard copy as well.